What can I say? Remember I told you that Arsenal as a team is not very good, but as a first 11, they're very good. The first 11 is very good. When it comes to squad and substituting players, not very good. Tom Swart is out. They brought in Jorginho. Shit. I know, didn't play that bad today, but still shit. We saw Gabriel Jesus got injured during or before the World Cup. I don't know, that story is still yet to be told. But they brought in Nketiah. And Nketiah played well for the first few games. I'm not going to lie, he even scored 2 against Manchester United. I'm like, okay, alright, cool. This might work, it might not. But today we saw the deficiencies of Nketiah. We saw that last 3 games as well. They lost 4 games now. They haven't won in 4 games now, fam. What's going on at Arsenal? What? Love?